Hi guys, welcome back to Why Buy. My name's Cheryl, and today's episode is Why Buy a Samsung 4-door Family Hub refrigerator. Family Hub is the large LCD screen you see behind me, and on it you can create family boards to manage your family's schedule, listen to music on Spotify, or even share your pictures. The internal cameras inside our Samsung refrigerator allow you to see what foods need to be replenished right while you're at the grocery store. Samsung is giving you more access to your home than ever right from your refrigerator. You can set your lights, monitor your baby's room, know when your laundry's done, or even answer your front door. If you're interested in more information on our Samsung Family Hub refrigerator, please visit the link in our video description below.